Hey guys, Foggy here, and yes, I am cutting this about 1 month after this ride has actually taken place. So, in saying that, it is crazy smoky out right now, but we got rail trail, we got rock ledge, and we get a hearty handshake for anybody who can complete both should I see you on the trail. In saying that, guys, I hope you enjoy. We will see you on the trail.
That's the spot I was talking about.
Good morning, folks. Foggy here, and today we are on the rail trail. We are gonna make our way out to the Taunton Creek Trestle Bridge. Bluebird day, absolutely gorgeous weather. Anyways, guys, glad you're along for the ride. We'll see you on the trail. Happened to run into a couple of Foggy fans, Rob and Darren. Hey, nice to bump into you. Thanks for waving me down. It's just nice chatting with you on the trail here. So, and again, thanks for watching the channel and the videos. So, Rob and Darren, hope you have a great day. You guys take care. Folks, well, we are just clipping along here on the rail trail. Again, absolutely amazing trail, bluebird day, beautiful scenery, and we are making our way to the Taunton Trestle. So we will be heading there, hopefully throw up the drone and get some nice drone shots. Just another awesome day. A guy can never complain when you're out riding. Head up and then just park on the right hand side there. This is the big one? This is the big one. Oh, yep. never disappoints. The beautiful mountains in the background, the beautiful bridge that they did is absolutely awesome. totally appreciated by me, my family, and I'm sure all the other guys that use it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and once again, if this is the end of the video, we will see you on the next one. We've never continued east from the Taunton Trestle, so we're doing that right now, and we're going to see how far we can go. It appears as though we hit the end of the rail trail. However, there is a road that goes down here, so we're going to see where that takes us. Maybe it takes us to the river, maybe not, but we're going to check that out right now. Here.
Yeah,
this thing could go on forever.
For a long ways.
Yeah, this is probably what they're going to be building off of, I'm assuming.
Well, we're back in the railroad train.
Yeah, no, totally, yeah.
You don't think they grew like that?
Yeah. Well, folks, that was definitely the end of the rail trail to this point. Again, like I was saying earlier, I believe this is going in a few different phases. So I think phase 1, correct me if I'm wrong, was to complete the bridge, and then phase 2 essentially is this portion. And then phase 3 will be all the way to Rocky Mountain House, which would be pretty awesome, because then a guy could stay in Rocky and make his way all the way to Nordegg. So that's coming in the future, but I think it's a few years away yet. But nonetheless, still an absolutely fantastic trail. Again, we're just out here having a blast. Perfect. That's the line you want right there. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Nice and slow. Keep coming. Perfect. Beautiful. Keep going. You're good. Okay. Up. Okay, that way. Up. Stop. Good. A little bit more. A little bit. Whoa. Good. Turn. Come easy. Good. That one's up. Give her. A little bit. Whoa.
Nice and soft, yeah.
Is confidence inspiring for sure. All right, folks, well, that's gonna do it for this one, but I do just want to say that last rock ledge is one heck of a lot steeper than what it looks like on camera. The squeaky limo makes it look pretty easy, but just remember this, that length of the squeaky limo is confidence inspiring, and just makes it a lot easier for you to take a little bit more of a chance on your way up. The General, you know what, he was doing fine, but totally felt like he was going to end up getting kicked to the side and end up flopping over. You know, so why take the chance? We hooked up the winch, yanked them up. These machines are expensive. It's absolutely pointless to go out and roll with these things unless you're making millions off of your YouTube videos, which clearly I am not. But anyway, in saying that, guys, as always, thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.